Hello, I am here to help you plan the perfect trip with some great ideas for things to do and places to stay along the way. And today we're off on an autumn escapes to Edinburgh and the beauty of the rolling hills. The charming villages and the castles steeped in history will leave you spellbound. But don't just take my word for it. See for yourself. So what is it that makes this place so special? Well, firstly, you get the chance to explore one of Britain's most iconic cities, Edinburgh, with its world-famous festivals, stunning architecture, and rich history. Edinburgh is a must-see destination. Then there's the great outdoors. Whether you're hiking up Arthur's Seat for panoramic views or strolling through the Royal Botanic Garden, Edinburgh, nature is never far away. For those seeking tranquility, there are beautiful gardens to discover like the tranquil Japanese and Chinese hillside. And now, for the Cotswolds, a region of outstanding natural beauty with picturesque villages and a quintessentially English charm. Imagine this. You're walking through the historic streets of Bibury, admiring the honey-colored stone cottages and the babbling brook nearby. Or perhaps you're re-exploring the market town of Stow on the Wold with its independent shops and cozy pubs. And let's not forget the literary heritage of the area. The Cotswolds is where the famous children's author Enid Blyton set many of her classic stories. Why not visit the town of Chipping Campden, which is believed to be the inspiration for Campden in her books? Now for something truly unique. How about a stay in a real English countryside cottage? Imagine this. You're settling into your charming cottage after a day of exploring. You can feel the warmth of the local stone as you step inside. The crackling fire in the hearth, the exposed beams overhead, and the comfy armchairs just beckoning you to relax. Some even have a hot tub so you can unwind in pure luxury. And if you're lucky enough, you might even spot some local wildlife from the comfort of your cottage. Picture this. You having breakfast in your cottage kitchen when suddenly you see a family of deer bounding through the field nearby or a red squirrel scampering up a tree. These unforgettable moments are all part of the charm of staying in the English countryside. Okay, so we've got you excited about the destination. Now let's talk logistics. How do you get to these amazing places? Well, it's easier than you think thanks to the train. No need to worry about packing up the car or battling traffic. Instead, sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. So when you arrive at Edinburgh, what should you do first? My top recommendation is to head to Edinburgh Castle. This iconic fortress has stood for over 1,000 years and offers stunning views over the city. As you walk through the castle's historic gates, you'll feel a sense of awe and wonder at the centuries of Scottish history that have unfolded within its walls. As you continue your exploration of Edinburgh, make sure to wander down the charming Royal Mile, a street that connects Edinburgh Castle to the Palace of Holyrood. Along the way, you'll discover plenty of shops, restaurants, and historical landmarks, including the famous pub, the Sheep Held Inn. Don't forget to try a traditional Scottish dish like haggis, neeps, and tatties while you're there. But it's not just about the big tourist attractions. One of the things I love about Edinburgh is the beautiful green spaces. So, after a busy day of sightseeing, why not take a stroll through the Royal Botanic Garden, Edinburgh? It's the perfect way to unwind and connect with nature. And then there's the adventure of the great outdoors. Just a short distance from Edinburgh, you can find some incredible hiking trails. One of my favorites is the hike up Arthur's Seat, an extinct volcano that offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the surrounding area. Now, let's move on to After arriving by train, you'll want to explore the region's charming villages. One of the best ways to do this is by hiring a car. That way you can go off the beaten track and discover hidden gems that most tourists miss. And where should you go first? I recommend starting your Cotswold adventure in the village of with its iconic Arlington Row and the River Con flowing through town. It's the quintessential English village. Don't miss the chance to walk along the riverbank and admire the lush greenery. It's the perfect way to unwind and soak up the tranquility of the But Bibury isn't the only village worth exploring. Why not take a trip to Stow on the Wold, known for its picturesque markets, square and charming shops and cafes. You can also explore the nearby Chastleton House, a beautiful National Trust property with stunning gardens and a fascinating history. For a truly unique experience, consider taking a Cotswold Way walking tour. This long-distance footpath stretches for 102 miles, offering walkers the chance to discover the region's diverse landscape and wildlife. You can choose to walk the entire trail or select a shorter section that suits your abilities. As you journey through the Cotswolds, don't forget to sample some of the local cuisine. From traditional pub fare to fine dining, the region has something to suit every taste bud. And of course, no trip to the Cotswolds would be complete without trying a cream tea. So why not indulge in this delicious treat and experience the very best of British culture? Well, that's a glimpse of what awaits you on your autumn escapes to Edinburgh and the Cotswolds. With its rich history, beautiful scenery, and charming towns and villages, it's a destination that will captivate you. So start planning your trip today and get ready for an unforgettable adventure.